In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your contacts from Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're using the new Outlook experience or the classic desktop app, I'll walk you through exactly what to click and what to expect so you can safely take your address book with you. If you're on New Outlook or Outlook on the web, start by going to People. Look for the two-person icon in the side panel. That's your shortcut to the People page where all your contacts live. Once you're there, open the toolbar at the top and choose Manage Contacts, then select Export Contacts. You'll be prompted to pick which contacts you want to include. Choose All Contacts if you want everything, or select a specific folder if you keep your contacts organized in separate lists. When you're ready, click Export. Your browser will download a .csv file, which is a simple spreadsheet format that works with many apps, including Excel and most contact managers. Keep this file in a safe place, since it contains personal information. If you're using the classic Outlook desktop app on Windows, start by opening Outlook on your PC. Click the File tab in the upper left, then choose Open Export, and click Import Export. In the wizard that appears, select Export to a file and click Next. You'll now choose the file type. For most purposes, pick comma-separated values, which is widely compatible. If you plan to move your data specifically between Outlook profiles or devices, you can choose Outlook Data File.pst instead. Click Next to continue. Now select the contacts folder you want to export. If you don't see it right away, scroll up in the list until you find the contacts folder under your account. Highlight it, then click Next. Click Browse to choose where to save your file, give it a clear name like mycontacts.csv, and click OK. Click Next, then Finish to start the export. Depending on the size of your address book, this may take a moment. After exporting, it's a good idea to verify the file. Open the .csv in Excel just to confirm that names, email addresses, and phone numbers appear in columns as expected. When you're done checking, close Excel without saving changes. This helps prevent any formatting adjustments from altering the file in a way that could cause issues when you import it elsewhere. That's it. Thanks for watching.